Welcome back to Toy Stew, everybody. Got some new engines, new to me anyways. One brand new one, and I got 4 that I got secondhand, and I want to show them off to you. So number 1, we got Rusty. Looking nice. This one's by the Hit Toy Company. Here's your runner. Let's get him going. Thank you for your work there, Caitlin. We got Dennis. This one's by Tommy. Tommy. He's running kind of slow. I put some batteries in him, but maybe that's the way Dennis goes. I heard he was kind of lazy. So. Skarloey. Woo! Nearly had a little accident there. Let's see, this one's by, I'm going to say Tommy. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. But what happened here? Come on. Skarloey, do your tricks. Show us what you got. And Stepney. Uh-oh, he's stuck. And he's a Tommy as well. Very nice. Well, those are my second-hand ones. Got a new one. Spencer. Let's open him up. Looking nice and all silver. Wow, that was a nice pile up there. Let me go straighten these guys out. You get up there, you go there. You come over here. Watch out for the house. Come on, Rusty. Skarloey's having a tough time today. Somebody give him a push. I'm gonna have to do some work on old Skarloey. And Spencer. Another hang up. Oh, get there. Get there. Put Skarloey on the bench here for a while till we figure out what's wrong with the old guy. Alright, see if we can get Spencer going. Woohoo! He's a runner. Looks like Rusty's pushing everybody. Alright. Let's see what Spencer can do. Come on, Stepney. Let's get Skarloey back in there. Spencer's off. Alright, let me get this camera off the stand and we'll get some better shots here. Hold on, just a second. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Stepney has fallen off. We got him back. Skarloey was down. Rusty's down. We got him back. Uh-oh. Skarloey just does not want to go today. Bam! Let's give Dennis a little room here. Or Rusty, I should say. There they go, round and round. Woo! Bam! Not sure how that happened. Emily wanted in on it. Bam! Bam! Get back. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Alright, there you have it. New additions. Skarloey. He's on injured reserves. Stepney. Step it up, Stepney. Rusty, pushing him around. Dennis. Not so lazy after all. Spencer. Alright, well, I'll keep that into my collection. You guys keep coming back and see what's new. We'll see you next time here on Toy Stew. Bye-bye. Be sure to subscribe and become a member of the Toy Stew crew.